Good chilly Tuesday morning to everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith on this chilly Tuesday, the 5th of April, 2016. Very chilly morning this morning for the 5th day of April. It feels more like what it should be in March than this time of the year. Temperatures this morning are generally running in the upper teens in some regions of the Hudson River Valley area and interior Connecticut, the low to the mid-20s in northwestern New Jersey, and also into the Poconos in southeastern Pennsylvania. Temperatures are in the upper 20s. And elsewhere around the New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia metropolitan area, temperatures are in the mid-20s. We had a small disturbance move through. You can see this on Doppler, producing a few light flurries across the region, but nothing that has accumulated. And today we have a northerly wind across the region and clearing skies out to our freeze warnings in interior northeastern New Jersey, the New York City metropolitan area, all of Long Island, southern Connecticut shoreline will be expiring at 10 this morning, but they'll be going into effect again late tonight into Wednesday morning. Same thing for central and southern New Jersey and the Delmarva area where the growing season has started on a very cold note. Freeze watches or freeze warnings expiring at 10 this morning, going back into effect late tonight into Wednesday morning. And of course, we still have our small craft advisories on the coastal waters of New Jersey and the back bays of Delaware. Portions of the open waters here have gale warnings until Tuesday morning, and small craft advisories then extending into Wednesday morning along the Jersey shore, and of course, small craft advisories until Wednesday morning on the south shore and north shore of Long Island until 7 a.m. again on Wednesday morning. Water vapor channel this morning shows that small disturbance racing off the mid-Atlantic coast states, high pressure building in across the Great Lakes into the New Jersey, New York City, Philadelphia metropolitan area today. We continue with a northerly wind, and it's going to be quite gusty, making the air temperatures feel chillier than they actually are. And they're going to be about 15 to, in some cases, 20 degrees below where they should be at this time of the year. The normal high is approaching 57 to 60 degrees, and we're going to be in the upper 30s to low and mid 40s for today. That's quite chilly. To our lots of clearing skies developing to our west as these small upper air disturbances move through the general flow of the trough across the eastern United States, with high pressure building in across the forecast region. On the aviation weather deck for today, we have VFR conditions remaining in place through the period. Gusty northerly winds at 20 to 30 knots remain across the region. Today, the strongest winds are the first half of the day as high pressure builds in across the region tonight, and Wednesday morning winds will become more light and variable, calm in most regions. Wednesday and Wednesday night, VFR conditions, increasing clouds Wednesday night, chance of showers very late, especially to the north and west. Thursday through Thursday night, mostly MVFR and IFR with rain showers. Friday through Saturday, conditions improving to VFR with occasional reductions to MVFR with slight chance of rain and snow showers. Right now, outside outside the terminals, I'm understanding that we're having microphone problems here. VFR conditions in place. Philadelphia had a snow shower in the last hour or so. The wind is out of the north at 18, visibility is 5 in that snow shower, 31 degrees, dew point 18, humidity 58%, anomalously chilly, making the wind chill out there feel like 19 degrees. And again, improving conditions from later this morning with VFR in place this afternoon and tonight. Forecasted charts from the Weather Prediction Center. High pressure building in across the region. A strong northerly wind dying down from late this afternoon through tonight as the high parks itself over the forecast region and then begins to move offshore later Wednesday night and Thursday morning as our next system here out in the plains moves up towards the Great Lakes area, drags a warm front through the region with the isolated to scattered rain showers. And these rain showers then become more numerous as we head into Thursday and Thursday evening before the cold fronts come through. GFS maps into motion. High pressure builds across the forecast region. Then the next wave of rain showers comes in Thursday morning across the region, perhaps late Wednesday night with some isentropic lift, and then on Thursday proper during the day as the cold front moves through the region during Thursday night, and that's going to enhance some of the rain showers. About a quarter of an inch, could be locally heavier amounts, up to a half of an inch to an inch in some of the embedded heavier rain, especially over east portions on Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. Now then, a series of fronts will be moving through the region under this upper cyclonic flow here. That's going to give us the chances of colder temperatures, obviously, and the chances for widely scattered showers into the early part of the weekend before everything lifts to the north and east, and then high pressure builds across the forecast region with slightly moderating temperatures for the second part of the weekend. And then another system in the polar flow begins to head in our direction for early on Monday. That could introduce the chance for some widely scattered showers again later Monday and Monday night as the front becomes nearly stalled, and then a wave of low pressure moves along the front, and that brings us the next chance of moderate to heavy rain across the region on Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. And it's a chilly forecast going ahead. Temperatures today in the upper 30s to lower 40s across the region, which is about 15 to 20 degrees below where they should be at this time of the year. Wednesday temperatures moderate a little bit, but still below average. Temperatures running generally from the mid 40s across the interior portions to the low and mid 50s in the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area. Temperatures moderate a little bit more on Thursday, near seasonal levels, 55 to 60 degrees. Temperatures on Friday then begin to somewhat fall back to below average again in the mid 40s to the low and mid 50s across the region. Saturday is going to be a very chilly day around here. Again, 20 degrees below normal in some cases. Temperatures generally running in the 40s, and that chilly air remains in place with either side of 45 to 55 degrees on Sunday. And again, the chances of cooler weather continue. Near seasonal temperatures still slightly chillier on Monday. Temperatures generally running in the 50s across the forecast region. So you really do want to be mindful of those plans outside because fortunately there's going to be more freezing across the region late tonight into Wednesday morning. For everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Stay warm out there, and we'll see you bright and early on Wednesday morning.